Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select a drawing tool on the FlipaClip application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Select a project and click to the pen icon on the left side on the screen. Click to the pen again, and here you can find more drawing tool, pencil, brush, highlighter, crayon, airbrush, and charcoal pencil, and just step on it, and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.